Hello everyone, how you all doing? Yes, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, today I'm going to do the recipe of Cocoyam Fufu. This is Cocoyam Fufu. You can see it. It's a tropical way of Cocoyam Fufu flour. I'm going to do it. You guys are going to see I'm going to prepare it. Okay, just watch and see how I'm going to prepare this. Delicious. And after doing it, we are going to eat it with a bowl of soup. A bowl of soup is already ready, but right now I'm going to do this for you guys to see how it's going to look. You can see it. Let's try the recipe and see how it's going to look at the final. Already my water is already boiled. It's here. The hot water is already boiled. You can see the hot water right now. I have to use it. I've already opened it. As you can see, I've already opened it. Look at it here. Let's see how it's going to look. I will start to take it inside gradually. Look at it. You can see it. Let's see how it's going to look. You have to do it gradually. Let's see how it's going to look. Let's see. Let's see how it's going to look. Keep stirring it. I have to reduce the oven to the medium. Let's see how it's going to look. I've never tried this before. This is the first time I'm trying it. Let's see how it's going to look like. Guys, you can see it. I have to put a little water. You can see how it look now. I have to add a little bit water again. I'm going to add a little bit water to it. Then I will leave it like 2 to 3 minutes, as the case may be. I have to cover it back and leave it. Yes. Let's try it now. Okay. Let's try it and check and see how it is now. You can see it. Oh my God, it's almost ready. For the bowl of soup. You can see it is almost ready. I'm going to add a little bit water so that when you are eating it with your bowl of soup, everything will be going inside gradually. I'm going to add a little water to make it soft and so smooth to penetrate down the throat. You can see it, but I'm going to add a little bit water so that everything will be penetrating well. A little water to it. Yeah. Let me see, add the water. Okay, I have to cover it again for the final, or maybe not for the final. Let's just try and see. Let's check it out and see how it's going to look like. Okay. There's some water inside. I have to take it gradually. It's very hot now. You can see it. Oh my God. This is going to good for bowl of soup, for draw soup. Oh my God. Guys, you can see. Can you see how it is? Can you see it? Can you feel it? When you are eating this one with a bowl of soup or with a goosey soup, oh my God. I don't know how you are going to feel. I don't really know. Just try it. Just try it. Try and get it. Let me put little bit water to make it perfect. To make it perfect, guys. For you to make it perfect, you have to add a little bit water to make it be moving. Move it. To make it move. To make it move. Oh my God. If you want to see add a little bit water, you can see add a little bit water, a little, so that it can be moving. You see it? You see it? It can be moving. The thing is so soft now. So soft now. I can even carry all of them at once. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my God. It's almost ready. It's ready to be consumed. You can see this. You can feel it. You can feel it. Oh my God. Wow. Yes. Go and get your own and prepare your own and let me know. Okay, guys. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. After putting it on the plate, I will show you guys how it is. I will show you guys how it is on the plate and everything. Thank you so much. Let me put it on the plate so that I will bring it out to you guys. Guys, you can see it. It's ready now. You can see it. I've already divided. The one I'm going to eat is here now. Look at your bowl of soup I'm going to use for it. You can see it. You can see it, guys. Look at it. I will go it with this one. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. If you have watched up to here, please like and subscribe and share the video. Thank you so much. We love you. One love. Keep us together. Bye. Try this recipe and see how it's going to look like on your own. Thank you so much.